Good morning, everyone. Today's date, Wednesday, March 18th. It's about bottom of the hour, 11:30 in the morning. I'm your host, Ryan Fox, Chief Analyst here at OptionsXO, broadcasting live from the UK. Let's go with today's daily market update. Last night, big news from Israel. They just happened to have the Israeli prime minister elections. It looks like the Likud party, headed by Benjamin Netanyahu, was triumphant over Herzog and the Zionist Union, which was the left coalition. Now, the way Israeli elections work is that you don't vote for the candidate, you vote for the party, and the party makes coalitions to whether form to a left or a right wing or perhaps a centrist government. In this case, Netanyahu was very, very close at the very, very end with Herzog. However, with negotiations between the parties, Netanyahu formed a right wing coalition between the right wing government of Israel, religious groups, compared to the Zionist Union headed by Herzog, as well as other people from the left wing nationalist or centrist parties, including ZP Livni and these other people. That's an interesting story of today, as well as announcements today. Early this morning, we had average earnings index 3 month per year. It was 1.8%. That's a negative result as forecasted, under 2.2%. Claimant count changed, also negative, as well as unemployment rate 5.7%. Negative result there as over forecast. Later on this afternoon, we have, excuse me, later on this evening, we have FOMC projection results from the Federal Reserve. We'll be hearing from them later on at around 6 o'clock in the evening. We have, at the moment, federal funds rate, as well as Treasury Secretary Lew is going to be speaking, and also GDP quarterly for the New Zealand dollar. If we take a look at the charts currently, right now, Dow Jones took a big hit late yesterday, and Dow Jones up this morning. However, we have DAX also going downstairs is at 11,844. We also have FTSE at 6,879. Crude position at under $43 here, and looks like it may head down for the rest of today, especially if we have positive results on dollar announcements. We also have dollar yen down to 121.13, euro US dollar 1.0617, pound dollar 1.4667. And we also have gold at 1151.14. Take a look at the biggest gains and losers today on our quote list. And I'm using the quote list from netdania.com. Because the probably biggest losers today is WTI crude position 1. Last time I checked, it was negative 2.8%. Let's see where it is currently. Yes, negative 2.83% headed downstairs. Pound franc, as well as pound, all over major assets pound related: pound New Zealand dollar, pound yen, pound dollar, pound Aussie dollar, pound Canadian dollar, all headed downstairs as a result of negative announcements early this morning. If we take a look at commodities, big exchanges, gold on the Japanese and franc spot also headed downstairs, and gold spot for the pound and Canadian are going up. So if you're happy to be trading on those assets, those are very good to be trading on. At the moment, we could say biggest gains today so far: euro pound, euro Canadian dollar, euro Australian dollar, including also franc yen here. Looks like 0.25% ended up, but highest here is the euros having a positive reaction to, looks like German bond auction. So it looks like there are results from the 10-year bond that were positive compared to the previous, and we can see that the euro is gaining from that. That's today's daily market update. I'm Ryan Fox, Chief Analyst OptionsXO. Take care, folks, and happy trading.